Good evening to my classmates and to our good teacher. I am your reporter tonight. I am Alea Marie F. Energo in Cluster 6. Before I start this reporting, I will show you something. Now, what do you notice in these pictures? Okay, thank you very much for your participation. Those are some examples of Filipino values, and that is our topic for tonight. And I will begin. It is obvious that certain values take on a distinctively Filipino flavor for us. Addition. Filipino equivalent in walang labis, walang kulang, or katamtaman lamang. Ito ay ideya o turo ng mga Greek, Roman, and Confucian and Buddhist doctrine sa mga Pilipino. Speaking of Filipino values, we do not mean that elements of these Filipino values are absent in the value systems of other peoples and cultures. It is stated here that in Chinese culture, honesty and hard work. Alam naman natin yun, di ba? Kung anong ibig sabihin nun. Sa Japanese culture naman, yung politeness and beauty. At sa American culture naman, yung promptness and efficiency. Pero dahil ang ating topic ay umiikot sa Filipino values, bibigyang diin natin ang sa Filipino culture. Yun ay yung spirituality and family-centeredness. The example of spirituality is Filipinos are religious. And Filipinos believe that we should value our spirituality. And let's give an example about the family-centeredness of Filipinos. Filipinos are willing to sacrifice for their family. Just an example of our OFWs. They don't think about how much more sadness they will feel just to support their family. Right? Even though it's hard, mas pinipili pa rin nila yon para sa ikabubuhay ng kanilang pamilya. Katulad ko, hindi man ako OFW, pero pinipili kong isacrifice yung mga bagay na naranasan ko sa trabaho ko. Yung hirap, as in pawis, ika nga binuhos mo na ang pawis mo, pagod, dugo, ano pa ba, yung mga ganung bagay. Lahat ng yon ay tiniis ko, mabuhay lang ang aking pamilya. At lahat naman tayo ay ganun, 'di ba? A Filipino value is not discrete item which exists alone, in isolation, or in a vacuum. Core values like social acceptance and social mobility. Ano ba yung halimbawa ng social acceptance nating mga Pilipino? Diba ito yung halimbawa, merong mga turista o ibang lahi na dumating sa ating bansa. Yun ay bukal sa ating puso yung pagtanggap. Nakikisalamuha tayo sa kanila. Sa social mobility naman, we can show here our custom of hospitality as Filipinos. Diba kapag tayo ay may mga bisita, ang ginagawa natin, i-feel at home natin sila. Binibigyan natin ng masasarap na pagkain, iniintindi natin sila, tapos nire-ready natin na magkaroon sila ng maayos na tuluyan, at magkaroon ng maayos na matutulugan. Values in the sense of historical consciousness had evolved among the Filipino people, leading to the concept of justice evolving from inequality to equality and to human dignity. How do we transform Filipino values to build a more just and humane society? We need both external structural and internal cultural change.